Hello everyone. Good evening.
Hello.
Hello. Yes, hello. Okay, so today's topic is CSS. Cascading Style Sheet. Okay. So through the HTML, we can create the architecture of our website. After that, if you want to give the look and feel in your website, the decoration of your website, we use CSS. CSS Cascading Style Sheet. Okay. So if you want to add image and different type of colors, so you can easily apply in CSS. So for decoration, we use CSS cascading styles, look and feel in your website. We use CSS cascading style sheet. Okay. So if you want to apply CSS in HTML page or web page, so we have three ways. First, inline. Second, internal. Third is external. Line CSS, we can say external. Okay. So we will learn all types of CSS one by one. So first, inline. Suppose apply, we want to change the color of text or background the color of text. Okay. So suppose we have h1 h1 tag. Okay. Okay. And we want to apply CSS in h1. Am I audible? Hello.
Yes, yes. Hello. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
hello. Okay. My screen visible?
Yes.
Okay. So H1. Suppose we want to apply H1 using inline. So we will type here. Type. And here we will declare properties like selectors. Like suppose we want to change the color of text. So for this purpose, I have a property color, and after that we can specify the values. Like suppose we want to show in red color. So here we will type red. Okay. If we want to change the color of background of text, this text, so we use background color. Text means values, like suppose red color. So we will specify the values. So background color here, it means we want to set the color of background as a red. So we can specify color, background, anything. So this is a way of inline. Okay. So for inline, it's very simple. We can use any tag like H1, P tag, or H1 to H6, body tag. You can use any tag. Only use is style. Type style is equal to specify the properties and values. This is property. Suppose we want change the color of text, so we'll use only color. If you want to change the color of background color, so use background color and property of value of this property. Okay, so suppose we want to apply in the web page. So I'm going to open now. I'm going to create a folder CSS. Copy this web page of last session. Okay. Suppose we want to apply CSS here. So first of all, you can see now I'm going to execute this. Okay. Suppose you want to change the color of background. So here use type. Style is equal to
Background color.
sorry
No, background color, I said.
background. Yes. You can see this background. Suppose you want to change the color of text. And okay. This is a method of
Inline CSS.
inline CSS. Okay, so we can use uh, any tag, like suppose we have a tag P and here and we want to apply CSS inline in paragraph. Type here style
Style.
is equal to, suppose we want to change the color of background. So
Background
only
color.
color, suppose you can see this in blue color. That is the way of inline. Suppose same thing we want to apply in internal, then I'm going to create a copy of this web page. And same thing we want to apply to the inline. So it is very simple. Like suppose here we want to apply this CSS on H1. So here we will type H1. Okay. And copy this. And we can remove this because now we are using inline. Okay, so H1 tag, here I have declared the all properties and values. Now we can execute this. So this is a CSS2. I'm going to change the name of this page. CSS2. Okay,
Okay.
but you can see it's not working.
Yes.
Okay, so first of all, we can also remove this. Okay, no problem. First of all, here we use style tag.
Style tag.
Again, refresh this page. As you can see this. Okay, so that is the internal. So this is a way of inline, and this is example of internal. Suppose we want to apply for paragraph, so specify P, and here is a color blue, and we can remove this from here. Okay, now we can see it. But you can see the same thing, so we can change here color green and at the place of red. Okay, now can okay, it's working.
Yes.
Okay, so this is example of inline. Okay, but
Inline.
yes, so but we can use for only not for only for tags like H1 P tag or any other tag, body tag. We can all in there here in CSS we can use selectors, the different types of selectors. This is called selectors. Tags are also a selector. And we can specify ID, we can specify class also. Okay, so now I'm going to specify a ID. So suppose here for example I'm going to create a new copy of example css3.html. Now I'm going to execute this page. Okay. CSS3. Now I'm going to specify ID. So what is the use of ID? Suppose here I'm going to create a copy of So suppose we have 4 paragraphs. Okay, and we want to set the format of all different format of all paragraph. Okay, there are similar. They are showing in green color, but suppose we want to set different color of all paragraphs. So here we use ID. For ID, here you can specify a hash. After that, a name like para1, and here we can specify a suppose background color green. You can copy it. Para1, para2, para3, para4. Okay, here we use here pink, yellow, and any other color, orange. Okay, and now we can apply the paragraph. Like here, ID is equal to para1, para1. Here I'm specifying para2, 3, and 4. Okay, now we refresh this. You can see this. Okay, so we can apply different CSS on different paragraphs. If we will declare only for P, only paragraph tag, so it will apply on all same formatting will apply on all paragraphs. But if you use ID, so we can declare the different ID and apply on different paragraph. Okay, but ID we can only use only one time in a web page. Here I use para1, so we cannot again use para1 with any other tag. Okay, because ID will be unique. Okay, so we can choose para or any ID only one time in a web page. Okay, understood?
Yes.
Hello. It's
Hello.
okay. Any doubt? Any queries?
No, no, thank
Okay. Jyoti and there are 4 members, 3 members. Rohit and Jyoti and Suman. Hello,
you. Yes.
Jyoti. I think,
Hello.
hello, yes?
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay, it's okay?
Yeah. Yeah. I'm good. So with the
Okay.
help of ID, we can give any color or maybe
Yes,
whatever.
yes, we can specify multiple properties
Okay. Okay.
and proper multiple values, no problem.
In one web page, right?
Yes, 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 only one page.
In that only. Okay.
Okay, an ID will be unique. We can use
Yeah.
only one time in a web page.
Yes. Yes.
Jyoti,
Mhm.
it's okay, Suman? Suman is here? No. Who is iPhone 2? Okay. Rohit, it's okay?
Yeah, it is okay. Yeah.
Okay, good. Now, so we can specify multiple properties, no problem. Here, suppose here we use color and that's green. And here we use blue, suppose. Okay. And text aligned. So now we can apply that. Okay. Blue color, right side. So as you like, you can specify multiple properties and values in a ID. Okay, no problem. Okay, Jyoti.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So this is example of internal and ID. Now, suppose we want to use, yes, we want to use class. So for class, I'm going to copy of this file, HTML. Okay, and now I'm going to convert it in class. Same thing. Okay, so suppose here I use class. So class will start from dot. ID will start with hash.
Hash.
But ID will start, sorry, class will start with dot. So we can specify any name like that is a C1, any name, suppose CL1, okay. Same as dot CL2, CL3, and dot CL4. Okay, save this file. And now we want to apply this class. So here we will specify class at the place of ID. Okay. Now I'm going to change something like here. Blue, yellow. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm going to check this. CSS4. It's not working.
Because we didn't change that
Oh yes, here.
parameter to file.
Yes. CL1,
Here too.
CL2, CL3, and CL4. So we can use ID, we can use class, we can use tags for specifying the different types of CSS. Okay. And the difference between class and CSS is that we can repeat CSS, sorry, class.
It's 21 hours.
Like suppose CSS1, I use many times class with many tags in a web page, no problem. Okay. ID we can use only for only single tag, but class we can use with multiple tags. Okay, that will not unique. Okay, so here you can see CL1. Here I use with H1, and again we use with paragraph. Okay.
Oh. So we can. So it's not unique, right?
Yes, yes.
Class is not unique.
Oh, yeah,
Okay.
yes. That is the difference between class and ID.
Okay.
Okay. So that is example of internal and class. Now I'm going to use external. Okay. So how to use external? So in external, we can save this all CSS in a different file. Copy this, and I'm going to create a new file. Save here. Okay, and save this file with CSS extension. Okay. Save this file with .css extension. You can specify any name. So here I have given name my style. My style.css file. Okay. And suppose we want to use this. So for this purpose, okay. So I'm going to remove this from here. Okay. And now we are going to execute this file. This is CSS 5. Okay. So CSS is not working. So for this purpose, we are going to add that file. So for this purpose, we have a tag. That is a single tag, like link relation is equal to style sheet. Href is equal to my style.css. Okay, style sheet, href, my style sheet. Now, again, I'm going to execute this, refresh this page. Okay, you can apply this. Okay, so this is external way to apply CSS. Okay, so for this purpose, we will create a CSS file with .css extension and specify the all properties and all tags, all CSS in this file. As you like, you can declare the ID and CSS class and tags. You can use anything. Okay. After that, if you want to use this, so for this purpose, only here we use a tag link relational sheet and href is equal to mystylesheet.css. Okay, it's very simple. And this file we can use in multiple pages, no problem, because this is not exist in this page. That's the external page. That is the benefit of this style. We can use that page, that CSS on any other web page, no problem. Multiple pages, no problem. Okay.
Okay.
After that, any doubt, any queries? Rohit, Jyoti?
No, no, thank you.
Okay. And
So which one is better, like inline CSS or external CSS? Which one? I mean,
as you like, you can use anyone, but external is better.
professional.
Okay, we can, because we will create a file of CSS
Mm-hmm.
and we can use in multiple web pages.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
We can reuse that code.
Yes, but suppose here this is a class, and mostly we
Mhm.
use uh, class, and you can say we use external. Currently,
Okay.
we use like React.js and Angular, so mostly we use external.
External. Okay.
External. Okay, so
Mm.
external is good. External is better because we can create a separate file and we can use in multiple web pages.
Yes. Correct.
Okay,
Okay.
and after that, we are going to create a box. Like suppose we want to create a box like this. Content. This portion is called padding. And suppose this is border of box. It's margin. So actually, if you want to create this type of box, So you can say, what is the use of this box? So actually, here you can see this. In any website, mostly we use this box. Like suppose here we use Amazon. So all things saved in a box. This is a box. You can see this. These are the box. Okay. These are the box. Okay. So if you want to create this type of box, we use uh, CSS providers a tag div. Okay, so now I'm going to save as 1 minute. I'm going to use internal. Open. Okay. Suppose these are the paragraph. Okay, and we want to display this text in a box. So we will use a tag div. Within the div, I'm going to use h1 tag. Okay, now I'm going to use this. I'm going to oh no, the last four will be removed, I think. Okay, so I'm going to execute CSS4. Okay, it is simple. Now we want to set the properties and color of div. So here we can declare div like background color, okay, and text color white. It's working. So you can see what are the difference between. Actually, we can set the size also, like height 200 px. height and width. And width. I think it's okay. It's not working. Like this.
We didn't close this div.
No? What?
This div, we didn't close. Is it?
I am not need to specify the double quotation mark. Okay. We can directly specify height is equal to 200 px and width is equal to 100 px. So you can see here, that is the box. That its height is 200 px and width is 200 px. So as per your requirement, you can specify the height and width. Okay. Same as we can, you can see here we have declared this. And suppose we can also uh, set the paragraph in within the div. So we use div. Okay. It's okay. Now, suppose we want to change the uh, properties and behavior of diff. So here we can specify ID or class. So here I declare suppose ID like whatever. Okay. Now I'm going to copy this first. This is .html. So now I'm going to specify paragraph. Paragraph 6. Okay, no working. Now we are going to declare here this div ID is equal to paragraph. That's working.
Okay.
Now suppose we want to apply another div. So sorry. And here I'm going to declare here dot para 1. Okay. Declare in second div ID is equal to para 1. That's not ID, that is a class. Okay. So class. Okay. Suppose we want to change the properties of this. So here background color. Suppose blue. Okay, it's working. And suppose we want to change the value of properties like width. Okay. height is 50. Okay, and you can set the text align is equal to center. Inbox text align. Text align. Okay, if you want to set uh, okay, this is a paragraph and this is a class and this id. Okay, it's working, no problem. And if we can also set here, you can see this is only use of content in paragraph. Suppose what is padding? So padding, for padding, so now you can see here padding. Okay, outside of the content will be padding. So if you want to set the padding, so specify here padding. Suppose 10 px. This is a paragraph. Okay, and apply here. Okay, this is a padding. This is a padding. Okay, the space
Okay.
from top, left, and right. Okay, there is a padding. Okay, after that, suppose you want to set the padding of left side. Padding left. Okay, only set the padding left. Suppose here I declare 30. Okay, from left side only. It will set only left side padding. If you use only padding, then it will show, it will set around the text, around the div. Okay,
Okay.
and if only for left, right, top and bottom, so we can specify for the particular side like left. So it will set only the left side. Okay, only left side. Only suppose we want to set that for top also. Top. Okay,
Okay.
we want to set the right side. Same way, we can also set the for bottom. Okay, after that, we want to create border of this box is also possible. So here, border style. Sorry, and we can use a dotted and other style. Dotted, dash, solid, double. There are many types of border. So as per new need, you can use this. And if you want to set the color of border, it's also possible.
Border.
So border, suppose okay, one of px, okay, and here I'm going to set the color of border, border color black. Can specify any color as a border. Okay, set the color which we want to set. Dotted at the place of solid. Okay, which will show like this. So here dashed will show like this. Okay, so as you like, you can set your border and you can change the size width of border. Like suppose here I declare 5 px. Okay, and if you want to, I'm going to use dash. Sorry, solid. Okay, I think. Okay, so you can use any type of border up to you. Okay, if you want to set the margin, so we can also set the margin. So for this purpose, border margin 10 px, not working. The problem, top margin, margin top is correct. 10 px. Margin is not working, so we can use sorry, border margin. I think is correct. Sorry.
I think just margin top.
I think 1 minute we can use margin top.
Hmm.
Okay, okay. So yes, it's working.
Hmm.
Okay, so we can set the margin, margin top, margin left, margin right, margin bottom. We can set the margin. Okay, so this is a simple example of div. Now I'm going to create a copy of this 7 dot HTML. Okay, and we have need of some image. Suppose we want to create a website of e-commerce, and we want to show multiple items in a particular div. Okay, for image. So I'm going to download the image. Oh, suppose we want to show that image at the place of this text. So I'm going to copy this 7. I think I have already copied this. Okay. So I'm going to use image at the place of this text. So img is equal to file dot png. That is a png file, I think. The 7. Okay, you can see this. It's the image, and suppose I'm going to background color. I remove background color. Okay, and we want to change the width also. So width is 200, and I'm going to use 150. And we want to add multiple image. So for this purpose, we can create multiple div and a different image for particular div. Like suppose we are going to download another image of any product. Mobile phone. Dot mobile 2. Okay, and mobile 2. So we can use image for separate image for separate div, no problem. Mobile. Mobile 2. JPG file. Okay. It's a JPG file. Here we can add. Here. Okay. It's okay. 1 minute wait. Here you can see this. So we can set separate pic for separate div, but it is showing in horizontal, vertically. Suppose we want to show horizontally, and so root left. Okay, you can see this is showing in horizontally. Okay. If you want to set the margin between two div, it's also possible. Here we can set margin top, margin left. Okay, so we can set as image in in a particular div. After that, if you want to specify any text in this div, so it is also possible, like nice. Height. I'm going to change the height. Where is text? Within the div variable. It is a class. Okay. Doing this tag. After that, color white. Actually, so here I will set it the okay. Okay, so you can give also some information about that pic
Okay.
in the div. Okay, understood.
Yes.
Rohit,
Yeah.
okay, Rohit present. And Suman, I think Suman is not present. Okay, so this is example of div. So I'm going to create another example. So here, save as 8.html. It's okay. Any problem? Hello, Jyoti, Rohit.
Oh, great.
Hello.
Oh,
No,
Ah,
no.
this,
it's okay.
oh,
Okay, okay. I think CS is very easy.
Hmm.
And now we are going to create delete edges and everything. Okay, and this only I'm going to set the background. So we can only not only color, we can also set the picture in background. Okay, so here I'm going to remove all things. Actually, we can apply with the in div, but currently I'm applying this example on body. Okay, so suppose we have an image. One minute, I'm going to search a image. I have already image, but where is image? Image folder. Image folder. Yes. Suppose I have an image. This. See. Okay. Data. Angular. CSS. Okay. This is GBG file. So here for body, you can use div also here. Background image. URL. Dot. Okay. So we can set the background image very easily. I think we have already worked on okay, so it's repeating here. Suppose we want to only display repeat. Repeat. Then it will show only one time. Okay. If we want to show it only x axis, so it will show only x axis. If you want to show in y axis, so it will show in y axis. Is that x, y, y. Okay, it will show vertically. So as you need, you can display it. And if you want to say show only a single time, so you can use here, no repeat. Okay.
Okay.
So please do these examples. I'm going to share these examples. Please try this. Okay.
Okay.